What a revitalizing weekend with the family! Minabuti naming lumabas dahil napakaganda ng paligid. It's autumn here in Sweden. Dumaan kami sa garden club dahil napakahitik pa rin ang bunga ng mga apple. So sayang at nahuhulog kaya sungkitin natin. So it's Lana's turn first. Dala-dala din namin ang aming sungkit. It's Daddy's turn na manungkit naman. Alam nyo, kahit konting galaw lang ng sungkit, nahuhulog ang mga apples dahil halos ripe na silang lahat. Yan ang isa sa aming mga ginagawang family bonding. Kahit fruit picking lang, very memorable and it's priceless. In today's fast-paced world where work demands and digital distractions often consume our time, spending quality moments with family can become a precious commodity. Although we are living in a society that often prioritizes productivity and achievement, it is essential to remember the importance of nurturing a relationship with the family. By making time for those we care about, we are investing in the most valuable asset we have, our loved ones. Kayo din po maglaan ng oras sa pamilya. Hindi kailangang maggarbo. Kahit simple, basta't sama-sama, masaya. Thank you so much for watching. Take care always and God bless us all.